What is up, guys? I got a TTM here today. It looks like this one is from Green Bay. Let's go ahead and tear it open, see who it's from. And I got a return from Mr. Jordy Nelson. So there's that. I got a return yesterday. I believe I might have sent him 2 or 3. I don't remember. So a second one has come through. I did send to the stadium. So there is the card. It's pretty cool looking. Let me go ahead and pull up an address for you guys. And so there it is, Jordy Nelson, CO Green Bay Packers, 1265 Lombardi Avenue, Green Bay, Wisconsin, 54304. And he will only sign 1 card at a time, or that's how it has worked for me. So you have to send several different attempts. Because once I sent like 4 or 5 cards, I only got 1 of them back. So the first time I sent, so just a little heads up. But there you guys go. Jordy Nelson, TTM return, and there's the address. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.